This video presentation is a continuation from the CAD Alignment Convert to Element. With the alignment strings now converted, go to your road toolbar and select Traffic Island function. The function can be used inside a chain. Fill in a function name and a model for the island strings and triangulation. We have set the internal island color to paving for the automatic visualization if you have the visualization module. There are several curve types available: barrier, type B, mountable, and semi-mountable. Any of the offset and height values can be changed and a redraw to form the shape that you require. You can then save off these parameters as a user curve type. Enter a file name and save. The format is .ukt. On our traffic island, reference, pick the direction in a clockwise manner to return information about the alignment. In this case, the alignment string is new and has no attributes attached. The curve type that we wish to use is a barrier type B. Select Process. These string names can be changed and will be saved as project attributes for all traffic islands created. Here's the traffic island created in our perspective view. Toggle on our shade. The island profile complete and part of a recalc function.